Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing the second of the naughty but nice battles. I've started off with the naughty coins. This is a Sri Lankan, or at the time Sinhalese coin. It shows the lion with the lion holding the sword in its front paw, and it has a value of 1. Could well have been 1 cent. That's the first one. Second one is a Chinese coin. It shows the rice stem on this side. Oops, let's just get that in. Shows the rice stem on that side, and then on the other side is a set of Chinese writing. It's a hold coin. I apologise if you can hear the fan going on in the background, but it's a warm day today when I'm recording this video. The next one is a slightly unusually shaped one in the fact that it's a scallop coin. It has a value of 1, and it seems to be a coin from an Arabic or Muslim type coin. It's a set of writing that I don't understand and I can't decipher. It's got 1 on that side, and on this side it's got either rice or wheat ears. It's probably wheat ears by the looks of it. Hang on, let me just turn that fan off a bit. The third one I believe is a recent Thai coin. It's a portrait of the new king. I think it's Rama X. And on the back we have a Thai design. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Again, I haven't got any mintages and I've not done any research deliberately, just to show you these coins so you can make up your own mind simply based on the way that they look, whether you want to have naughty or nice in your collection. It's another Thai coin with Rama the 9th on, and it has the monastery in the capital of the country. I don't want to give too much away, so again another Thai coin, 1 baht again with a monastery. Oh blimey, this seems to be the Thai one. Again, the newer king, Rama X. Again with the same design as the other Rama X coin. I'm not going to be happy if this one's a Thai coin as well. No, it's not. I think this one may be Bulgaria, or it's a 2011 coin, and it's a 5 leke coin. So it's the actual name of the country is Shoiperise. I believe that's known to us as a different name to that. Again, I don't want to give too much away. I just want you to make the judge on whether you want to be, which set you want to have in your collection, or would like to have in your collection, should I say, of the two, and vote for it at the end. And there's the valuation side. It has I think it's an olive stem Again, having not done the research, I can't give you precise information. Another one from Rama the 10th is from Thailand. This is definitely the Thai side. And again, it has exactly the same reverse on it. I'm not sure which country this one's from. On this side here you have like an antelope, you have the value of 10 and then like an antelope, there's the head, and you go around to the end of the body. On the other side is a stylized lion head. There's his teeth in the top of his head and goes around into its mane. It's a very nice coin, that one. I do like that one. And the final coin in this particular side of the battle, the naughty side, is a 1 yen coin. Now this is the nice side apparently. We have Portrait of a King, it's Norwegian. You've got, what's the value of it? Can't see properly. It's from 1962 and it is 5 all. And it shows either a, what would it be? I'm not too sure what it is, whether it's a reindeer or a moose. I think it's probably a reindeer in Norway. This one is from the Seychelles. It is from the year 2016. And then on this side you have the butterfly with the 1 rupee. This next one is slightly shaped like a 20p, but has got more sides. It shows in a very early portrait of Her Late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. And then on the reverse you have Canada. It's a 5-cent coin with a beaver from a very fantastic year, of course, 1960, the year of my birth. So it's a special coin. Simply because it's a 63-year-old coin now, that one, believe it or not. Here is a 10-cent coin from 1904 from Belgium. On this side you have a monogram going either side of the circle in the middle with a crown on top of it, the date below it of 1904. Then on the back you have the 10 cent. One second. It's a 1986 1 franc coin. And it's from Luxembourg. So that will be the Grand Duke of Luxembourg on the portrait side of the coin, or the obverse, and then on the reverse you have a crowned 1 franc. This is from Olav V. So it is a Norwegian coin. It is a 5 ore coin, is it, or a 10 ore coin? 1 second. It's a 10 ore coin. You have here the crowned monogram of Olav V. Then on the reverse you have the B and the value. Give me 1 second please, let me just have a look. Here we have a Commonwealth British Empire coin from East Africa. It's got a big hole in the centre, and on the back we have the name of George V on the reverse, and it is a 1 cent coin. The year is 1924. So it's just towards the beginning of his reign rather than the end of George V's reign. Of course, George V came to the throne in 1920. Next coin is South African 5 cent coin, and it shows the blue crane on the reverse. It's one that comes up quite frequently in the animal coin hunts that I do. This next one is from Iceland, and it shows Bagassi the Giant. Now on other ones you do find the quartered circle with the 4 Icelandic mythological people or animals. This one is Bagassi the Giant, well known one. It's a 1 krona coin, and it is the cod. This one is a Moroccan coin. It has the Muslim date of 1374, I think it says. Let me just check. 1371, I beg your pardon. It's a 20 franc coin. It doesn't give the Gregorian date, which is the one that we go off our calendar. Just gives the Muslim calendar date of 1371. It's a 20 franc coin, and at the top there you can see Morocco. So it was produced at the time that the French were in charge of Morocco. Well, Morocco was part of its in charge of the country. It had it as part of its French Empire. Here we have a 25 rupiah coin. It's from Indonesia, and I believe that is a bird of paradise, although I may be wrong. It's a 25 cent coin. Sorry, 25 rupiah coin. Nice coin. I like that one. We do like animals on coins as coin collectors. This one's a 1993 South African coin. It's the penultimate coin in this battle. And on the back we have a fish eagle, or an osprey of some description. And finally, the final coin in this battle is a 1914 coin from Belgium, and it is a 10 cent, is it? Or 5 cent? It's a 5 cent. So there you go. You have on that side the monogrammed with the crown above it and the date, and then on the reverse of the coin you have the value of 5 cent. So that's the actual description of the coins, or the vague description I've given you for the coins. Here we go. Let's get them sorted out into lines. This is your battle today. You have to decide what you feel is the best for your... Which would you prefer of these two sets of coins in your collection, if given the choice and such like? So the highlights, we have a nice Chinese coin there with the hole in it. We have the scallop shaped coin with the wheat sheaves or rice in this. We have a couple of nice Thai coins in there. So this is a nice section. The naughty section, sorry, that's the naughty section.